President Emmerson Mnangagwa has left the country for yet another high-level international gathering, even as Zimbabwe grapples with growing political uncertainty and a deepening constitutional dispute. Salabina Mashuko Blanyo Gachinzi Mnangagwa flies to AU summit as constitutional crisis deepens at home. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a brief announcement, state media confirmed the trip, saying President Mnangagwa has departed for Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, where he will join his counterparts in the African Union 39th Ordinary Session of the Assembly of Heads of State in the Government Summit, which is starting on Saturday. The summit comes at a sensitive moment domestically, with the debate intensifying over proposed constitutional amendments and concerns about the direction of the country's governance framework. Critics argue that while such continental engagement projects statesmanship on the global stage, they contract sharply with unresolved tensions at home. Opposition voices and civic groups have raised alarm over what they describe as a constitutional crisis, warning that proposed changes could undermine democratic principles and institutional stability. At the same time, ordinary citizens continue to bear economic hardships. High prices, currency volatility, and strained public services. Mnangagwa's administration maintains that regional diplomacy and participation in AU processes are essential for cooperation and development. However, detractors question whether these foreign trips meaningfully address the urgent political and economic challenges facing the nation. As the president joins the African leaders in Addis Ababa, attention back home remains fixed not on summit communiques but on how or whether the deepening constitutional and governance concerns will be resolved. Doma shukaribu pangwa inwepina comment section minutes of grow email to deep on the page. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.